Hi, everybody. I'm here with my good friend Kevin at AHB, and we're going to take a look at several welders.
So, Jerry, I'm looking around and I'm noticing that there are definitely some differences between the machinery. Not gonna lie, I'm not sure exactly what is used for what. In what processes would this be used versus what processes this? Same processes, different materials. There's a lot that goes into this. So.
Okay. That's really a good start because all of these are resistance welders. We have a rocker type welder here. We have a press type welder here. And we have something pretty cool here. It's a spot welding. So let's start over there with the rocker arm welder. This today is an incredibly popular welder because it's very versatile. This is used by people to make HVAC systems, plenums, piping, all sorts of stuff, barbecue grills. Thin sheet metal parts that you might have to manipulate the part and go into. Voting signs that go in the front people's yards where they have the wires and they're cross-wire welded.
Little sticks.
Little sticks. I've seen people weld filing cabinets, squirrel cage blowers with these things. Very versatile machines. They're light, they're fast, they're for thin sheet metal. This machine typically is good for 18 gauge and thin.
Okay. So looking at this, I would imagine, hey, we can do some thin gauge, and then just based off of looks, it seems like I might be able to do quite a bit more on this guy.
Got a big brother here.
Okay, all right.
So this is a press type machine. So a rocker type machine rocks. This goes up and down, which means this is ideal for welding fasteners, nuts and studs on the parts.
Okay.
Absolutely ideal for it. The cylinder is on top. The force is up and down. It's also a more powerful machine.
Which makes sense. If you add a nut onto something, you're adding a lot more material that you need to go through. So, okay.
This machine is capable of welding cold rolled steel, probably down to 12 gauge. Aluminum, probably 16 and 18 gauge and thinner, but this is a very powerful, very versatile machine.
Okay. This is a little bit like the bigger brother of this
Absolutely.
one. Okay.
Absolutely.
And then we come over to this one here and looks completely different. So what's going on here?
Okay, so old rules of old things. So it used to be you're looking at a part for the old-fashioned bread boxes. Grandma used to have one of those. So bread boxes, small two-drawer filing cabinets. If the part gets to be bigger than a bread box or a two-drawer filing cabinet, instead of taking the part to the welder, take the welder to the part.
Okay.
So this particular thing is just a welding gun. And what you can do, it's on a balancer. You can take it up and down. You can manipulate it very, very easily, and you can make welds with it. It's a very, very popular tool, very easy to do. Once again, this is if the part is much bigger, it should be fixtured, and then the operator can take the welding gun to the part.
Kind of get in there where they need to. And are there different arms that go on this? Is it kind of one size fits all?
Now, depending upon your application, we can make these arms bigger or longer, and they also have a model of this that's much like a rocker arm. It's like a scissors.
Oh, okay.
So that way, if we have to reach in someplace very deep to do it, this is currently set up right now for edge welding, just around the edges and the perimeter where we can put this in and make welds. Very much for like a cabinet, a filing cabinet.
Okay.
Something like that.
And I think I remember reading somewhere that auto body shops love this unit as
absolutely.
well. Okay.
Absolutely.
So stuff, any thin sheet metal, does this kind of have the same capacity as this, or is it a little less, a little more?
This is more in line with that welder there. This is for
Okay.
thinner sheet metal and smaller. Now, they make these in much larger ones.
Gotcha. So it is available in a much larger as well, but it's more based on where are we trying to fit in?
Absolutely.
Okay.
We have to look at the application. We have to look at the type of metal that you're welding and the gauges of it. And we can size this appropriately.
Okay. So there's kind of an answer for anything, really. All right.
So that's today's lesson, in that there's different pieces of equipment and different styles for your application. Here at AHB, we like to make great spot welds. So if you have any particular application questions, welder issues, or service issues, please don't hesitate to get a hold of an AHB rep. Thank you all very much.
Thanks, guys.
Okay?
All right.
Now, you guys have material now that